Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your country or language in the Indeed app step by step. If you're using Indeed in a different region or want to switch to another language for better understanding, this quick tutorial will help you do it Bسهولة. I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can update your settings without any confusion. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, go to your App Store or Play Store and search for the Indeed app. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version. Once updated, open the app and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. After that, tap on the menu icon, 3 lines, at the top right corner of the screen. Now go to Settings. Inside Settings, look for the option called Country and Language, or Language and Region, and tap on it. Here you can select your preferred country. Once you change the country, the language may also automatically update based on that region. Simply choose your desired option and your settings will be updated instantly. And that's it! Now you know how to change country and language in the Indeed app. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out more tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.